Hi, good afternoon. This is your chef Prakash. How are you all? And today I am going to discuss about how to improve your mental speed. In nowadays, from a teenage person to old man, feel this problem because I cannot able to concentrate on my work. I feel very low, and even some students they are saying they cannot concentrate on the studies. These are the problems we are facing in our regular life. I give you the three reasons for this why you feel low every day because of our irregular lifestyle. The first one is lack of proper sleeping. If you sleep maximum 7 hours in a deep sleep, your mind should be totally on the rest. This is the first reason. Minimum you have to sleep for 7 hours in the dark room. No need to put the night lamp, whatever it is. And before you sleep, you have to switch off your mobiles and away from the electronic devices. That is also very, very important. If you do this one, you will free at the morning time when you wake up, you feel very fresh. If you are not sleep well, you will be feel bad. The second one is multitasking. What we can able to do, please try to do that. Don't try multitasking. It will give you more stress and it will affect your brain also. In the Indian population, for the compared to the 100%, only the 2 percentage person only can able to do the multitasking. Other persons, it's not able to do that one. That is also most important for your mental health. And third one is minimum you have to do exercise for 30 minutes per day, whether it is walking, yoga, or even meditation or any other workout. It's up to you, but you have to do this one minimum 30 minutes walking in exercise. If you do these three things properly, it will helps to improve your mental speed. And eat memory boost food always. Eat more calcium and vitamins. This is the today message for you all. Hope you enjoy this video.